What's up, people? We're over here on Panama Lane in front of the In&Out. Expanded TC. Traffic collision, not 20,001, the 901T expanded. BPD's on scene. Two car, like I said, appears to be a two-car collision. This blue four-door and this van, SUV van. Not sure on the extent of injuries. We'll get some footage of the vehicles though. Yeah, it looks like this female, the driver, like she's okay. She's going in the driver's door. Shot of that. Going through the fence line, I don't want to get in there where they are. They're interviewing that female. They are taking somebody to the hospital, looks like, a female. Let's get around and get a different shot. Like somebody lost the wheel. This is the expanded 901T. Expanded. Fire's on scene. EMS is on scene. It's like this vehicle right here is taking a lot of the damage. That right front fender. It'll probably be towed out. As you can see, there's a lot of debris in the roadway right there. People running over it. So, prayers for this person. She's okay. Also trying to get information from this driver of this vehicle right here. The person, she is sitting up, so that's a good sign. But I believe she's going to be transported. We'll see. I think she was probably in this Honda right here. So I don't know exactly what happened here. Because I can't see the side of the other side of this Honda, the driver's side. I can't see the damage. So I don't know if this vehicle right here is coming out of the In&Out parking lot or something. But most likely looks like what happened. If you look over here, you see all that debris. So I'm thinking somebody was pulling out this parking lot. Oh, there's another one right here, guys. Go look at this vehicle right here. It's got extensive rear end damage. We'll get a shot of that. KRW live on patrol. What's good, peeps? See you guys. Getting the short one here on demand. It will be broadcast later, so this is not live. You guys see it? Yeah, this is the this vehicle's involved also. See, it's got some extensive damage. Wow. Yeah. Damn. Like this is a Kia right here also. You see the damage on the rear bumper's tore up. You see the bumper's all jacked up. The rear window is gone from the impact. You see the airbags are deployed on it, but it's in bad shape. And this left rear part of the vehicle is tore up. Good thing about it, airbags did deploy. So these new vehicles with these airbags, it really makes a difference, man. So yeah, it's pretty tore up. Hopefully this person's okay. It's okay. You okay?
Yeah, yes, my vehicle, but it was my fiance driving.
Oh, is he okay?
Yeah, I think.
Prayers to you guys, man.
I know.
This is a good vehicle though, with the airbags deploying. It saves lives. You the passenger.
I was not. I just drove his car from my house down the street.
Come down, came
I'm
here.
pregnant.
Oh,
and we just found out what it was yesterday.
Right.
And I'm just
Oh, it's a boy or girl? Oh, congratulations. Too bad. I hate to see this stuff.
I know, like what the hell? It's brand new too.
Yeah, it's terrible. Hopefully you'll be able to, hopefully they can fix it though.
I hope everybody feels it.
Yeah, that's the key. Yeah, that's definitely the key. So too bad. Looking like fire's getting ready to leave. This female out here, this is her vehicle. Apparently she came from the house. Her fiance had called her. She's pregnant. He called her and told her about the accident, so she came over here. A little bit distraught, as expected. So the 901T expanded right in front of the In&Out burgers over off Panama. I don't think it's somebody pulled out in front of somebody. I'm seeing the same old familiar officers I always see out at night. DUI officers, they're here. That right here, I don't see him several times. You see fires leaving the scene. It's running in front of the In&Out on Panama Lane. 901T expanded. Unknown injuries. The vehicles are pretty toast though. So, yeah, hopefully everybody's gonna be okay. I'm not sure if fire's gonna, well, fire took off at EMS, but they're gonna transport somebody or not. They're still working on this female. It's on Panama Lane, right here by Colony Street, right kind of next to the In-N-Out. 901T expanded, I should say. When they're expanded, they usually be a rollover or something that's pretty involve multiple vehicles. The injuries are either kind of severe or something like that. So, but apparently the airbags deployed, so that saves somebody. So PD's on scene doing their investigation, and look like they're not going to transport that female. So that's a good sign. So she's probably more anything. She's probably more like shooken up. We got family members showing up. Yeah, they're not transporting her, so that's a good sign. So apparently injuries are minor, so that's a good thing. She's probably got to follow up next day or two. She's probably gonna be kind of sore. So it's a 3-vehicle accident. There's a lot of debris. I think most of the debris came from this gray Kia van. Apparently this vehicle is pretty new from what the female was saying. She is pregnant. She wasn't in the vehicle. Her fiance was flying solo. So she just came upon the scene right now. She's shook up, distraught. She's gonna have a little girl. But yeah, got a motor in and up scene. And PD are investigating, trying to see what's going on with this. Same old people I see out at night, man. These folks must work a lot of hours. We work a 12-hour shifts and so. Especially this female right here. I'm seeing so many times. So many times I'll see this lady right here. Yeah, she's part of the traffic department. She's a traffic unit, fire tom unit. Both these guys right here are traffic. You see the little thing on their collar right there? Those are the symbol for traffic. So these two people right here, the traffic. They don't have their boots on, so you know they're not motor units. They are part of the traffic division. See these guys all the time. Rest is female right here. A lot of my videos on these collisions, she's in it. She definitely pulls her paycheck. She's always in on this stuff. But again, I don't know what's here in Bakersfield. Why we get so many collisions, these traffic accidents is just, it's unbelievable, man. It's a lot of people not paying attention, or either driving too fast, or excessive speed, or I don't know. They're just not paying attention. I don't know. Some of these people need to be took back to driving school or what. It's unacceptable though. But it's happening. It looked like the EMS they were checking out a female. Apparently she's gonna go. She's gonna go home. So I don't know where she went. I don't know what vehicle she was in, but we have 3 vehicles involved with this. One of them don't look that bad. Yeah, they go with EMS and leaving. So it's a dry run for them. And this is in front of the In-N-Out on Panama. Came across the expanded 901T. I believe the injuries are minor injuries. They did let the other people, they were examining her on the stretcher, but they decided to let her go. So I think everything's gonna be all right. That's just a lot of heavy-duty vehicle damage. So, all right. Alright, man, we'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll get out of here in a second. It's like always in my videos, man. Always, man. Work too much. I get one last shot of the front of this vehicle right there. It's got an SUV. I don't know. KRW Live on Patrol. I'm live streaming out of Bakersfield. I normally cover the Bakersfield City Police Department, Bakersfield City Fire, Kern County Sheriff Department, Kern County Fire, local EMS, Cowboy High Patrol, and sometimes we people watch. And my partner, G-Man's not with me today, right now. He only go out live. I'm not going to be going out live this week. Probably next weekend. Got some things I got to do. I got to cover on call, so I'm not going to be able to do it. But you see the damage to this vehicle again. It's pretty extensive. So, poor girl. She's walking around fine. But the fun thing about accidents is that next day, man, her door wasn't even open. That next day, man, her door was not open because of that fender. Yeah, it's terrible. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of this one. Like they got to finish their investigation, get a tow truck here to tow. At least 2 of these vehicles got to be towed, I'm thinking. This vehicle right here, I don't know. Like it's intact, so maybe not. Look like they're getting the belongings out of there. So all these vehicles probably need to be towed. So. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. You guys have a good one, take care, be safe. And please drive safely out there. I don't need to run across somebody that I know or that visits my life and is involved in something like this. So, it's KRW for G-Man. Catch you guys later. Take care. Appreciate it. Unfortunately, this looks like everybody's gonna be okay. Like shout out to my producer Mushy Faye also, aka Baby Girl. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys later on the next one. Everybody support me. I know who you guys are. I see you. I don't have time to mention all your names, but I will mention you on the next live, man. Look at this guy on this little scooter. Look at this dude, man. Keep getting it. What a way to go. Wow, man. Way to get around. All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next one, man. You guys stay safe out there. To the next one, man. I'll see ya. I'm out. Peace. See ya. KRW Live on Patrol is signing off. Out.